Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word whole. So here's the phonemic script, and the first thing to notice is that it is a one-syllable word. So the beginning of this word actually begins with the h sound, and what that means is we're dealing with a silent W. So the number one mistake I hear with this word is people pronouncing it wole, but that is not how a native speaker would say it. It's got that h beginning, h, whole. So then we've got a double vowel, o, o, and whenever we have a double vowel in English, there's movement in the shape of the mouth. We have to move the mouth in order to create that double vowel sound. If you find this a bit tricky, check the comments below and there will be links to other videos that help you with these sounds. And then we finish with that dark owl, which happens at the back of the throat, and I like to think of it that we're swallowing this sound. So it's not a clear owl that happens at the front of the mouth in words like look and like. They happen at the front near the entry to the mouth. This owl, this ul, happens at the back. So building all of that back together again, repeat after me. Whole, whole, whole. So top tip of the day, silent W. Don't pronounce the W. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And check out the main page for lots of other exercises to help with your pronunciation. Thanks for watching and have a great day.